welcome to my channel. If this is your first time viewing my channel, I appreciate you for watching my video. My name is Brooke. Nice to meet you. How are you doing? And if you are a returning viewer or subscriber, I thank you for watching my video as well. Telling by that title down below, guys, today I'm going to be doing a eyebrow tutorial with just 3 easy steps, guys. The first step, outlining your eyebrows. The second, filling them in. And the third one, cleaning up around your eyebrows with concealer, guys. I would like to state that my acne is bad at the moment, so while I'm all up in this camera, can you guys please just excuse me and ignore it? But enough talking, guys. If you would like to see how I achieve my eyebrow looks, please stay tuned. When doing anything involving makeup, guys, you always need to start with a fresh, clean face. Here I am showing you my e.l.f. Poreless Face Primer. Primer is an amazing product to have when doing your makeup, guys. It's just a protective underlayer right under your makeup, so your makeup sits right on top of the primer and not on your skin directly. Here I am, guys. I'm just applying that primer to my top eyebrow and underneath my eyebrow, guys, so my makeup sits right on top of that primer. I had just got done washing my face, guys, before this video. I'm just applying that primer, and you want to blend that primer in like it's a lotion, guys, like a nice moisturizer. It feels good, so blend it in. You want to apply a small amount, guys, a salt grain amount of this product, guys, very little amount. Here I am showing you my spoolie, guys. I'm going to take this spoolie and I'm going to brush out those eyebrows, guys. You want to brush those eyebrows out before applying makeup, guys. Just because you want a flawless canvas to apply that makeup on, guys. I always brush them up and towards the end. I just brush them up and outward, guys, like you see me doing. So, guys, always make sure those brows are brushed out. It just makes a better look. Yes. Here I am showing you my sharpener, guys. Always make sure the tip of that pencil is sharp. The sharper, guys, the better. It's not going to hurt you because this makeup is going to feel very smooth to your skin as soon as you apply it. The sharper it is, just makes a better application to your eyebrows. So here I am, guys. I'm going to be doing the first step. I like to start in the middle. First step, outlining. Please make sure to be extra light-handed when doing this step, especially, guys, because you don't want deep, harsh lines making your eyebrows not look natural. We're just going to put what is not there, guys. That's exactly what we're doing. So make sure you're being super light-handed. Guys, always use our dark brown eyebrow pencil, chocolate, any type of brown, guys. If you use black, it's gonna look weird and it's not a natural looking color. Here I am taking that spoolie, guys, and I'm just fixing that harsh line that I had created, just blending that into my eyebrow, my hairs, guys. Now I'm doing step 2, guys. I'm filling that eyebrow in, and I'm being extra light-handed, guys, because if you're not being light-handed with this step especially, you're gonna have really darkened eyebrows and it's not gonna look too great. Trust me, I've been learning over the years, guys. So then I transitioned into the first step again, but I'm doing it to my upper eyebrow, guys. I'm just outlining that brow up there, guys, and you want to be light-handed, especially up there, because towards the top of your eyebrow, guys, when you're outlining it, you can make it look very boxy. You don't want your eyebrows to look like a box. You want it to look very natural, guys. There I am peeking. I was just filling those in. You want to be extra light-handed when you're filling them in. You're just going to be lightly peeking that eyebrow. And I took that spoolie, guys. I took that spoolie and I just blended that out up there. Now I'm going to the other eyebrow, guys. And I'm doing the first step. I'm outlining my brow at the bottom, guys. And I'm still being extra light-handed, of course. As I was looking at my video, guys, looking back at it, I should have drawn that other eyebrow out more towards the front because it looks like it's, you know, if they don't know, you shouldn't tell. But I'm just being real with you guys. Make sure your eyebrows look like cousins. They don't have to look like sisters, but you want them to look identical. Now I'm filling my eyebrow in and I'm just peeking. I'm peeking that eyebrow. Peeking, I mean, I'm doing it so lightly, like I'm feathering little hairs, guys, really lightly, guys. Now I'm outlining that top brow again, guys, and I'm just kind of feathering some hairs that's not there with this pencil, guys. I love this brown pencil, guys. It's just so natural looking. I'm taking that spoolie, guys, and I'm just blending it into my hairs. Now I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Conceal, guys, in the color Warm Honey, guys. This is very inexpensive concealer. You can find it at your local hair store. It's in the color Warm Honey. I'm taking that Wet n Wild brush, guys. That's my Wet n Wild flathead brush, guys. And I'm going to use this to apply the LA Girl Pro Conceal to my upper and bottom eyebrow. Guys, you can find these brushes at Dollar Tree for only $1, guys. These are great brushes, guys, for only $1 at Dollar Tree. There I am applying that Pro Conceal to my bottom eyebrow, guys, and I'm just being very careful to make sure my line is super straight right up under that brow so we can get a nice constructed straight taped looking line, guys. Yes, you want that to look very straight, guys, real straight up under the eyebrow. This is not one of those makeup steps where you have to shake. It's just really easy, just applying that under there. Make sure not to get it in the hairs because it'll look weird. Just take your time. Here I am on the top brow, guys. I'm doing the top brow. I'm just doing what I did to the bottom as well. I'm applying that LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Warm Honey, guys. On the top of my brow, I'm making the straightest line that I possibly can just to clean up those hairs, guys. Yes, guys, I'm checking it out. Alright, guys, what I did to that brow, I'm going to just do it to the other, guys. Easy step, very easy step, guys. I'm taking that makeup and I'm putting it right up under that brow, guys. I'm applying it up under my brow just to clean it up. And my eyebrows are already arched. I don't know if I mentioned that in the video already, but when your eyebrows are arched, I feel like it makes it easier application just doing your eyebrows, period, because you have a nice canvas already made for you. And I just applied that LA Girl Pro Conceal. You want to get it as close to the eyebrow as you can, but not so close where it's like catching those hairs because you have makeup in your eyebrow and it won't look good. I'm doing the same to the top what I did to the bottom, guys. I'm just applying that LA Girl Pro Conceal on the top of my eyebrows, guys, and I'm just making sure I get as close to the eyebrow as I can, guys. Really close. As you can see, I should have drawn that eyebrow up a little bit more with that pencil. You see how it's kind of pushed it back some? Make sure, guys, make sure you are checking it out, guys. Now I'm taking my brush, guys. I got these brushes from Wish 2 Christmases ago, guys. If you go to wish.com, they also have an app. You type in makeup brush sets, guys. These should also come up. I'm just taking that brush, guys, and I'm just blending that makeup in, guys. You want to go in one direction just so your makeup isn't like scattered all over the place, and you'll see what I'm talking about when I get to my top brow, guys. But I'm at the bottom now. I'm just blending that makeup in, guys, blending it into my eyelids, guys, making it look very transparent within my skin, guys. I'm just blending it, making sure it's blended, guys. You don't want to look like two different shades of people, so make sure you are blending that concealer in, guys, making sure. Blend it in, girl. Get it good. Alright, guys, now I am doing the top, and as you can see what I was talking about with One Direction, I started off doing One Direction, but then I just kind of went crazy afterwards and was just going, you know, spiraling in different positions. But guys, this is exactly what you want to do. You want to go in one position, get that concealer right on that brow, guys, make it blend right into that skin, guys, and I'm just continue to blend it in. All right, you know what you do to that other brow, you have to do to the other. So I'm just making sure it's all blended in on top of my forehead, guys. Now I'm doing my other brow, and I took my finger, y'all. I took my finger because that foundation was just up too high. It wasn't blending with that brush, and I was not gonna keep digging. So I took that finger. You can do that as well. Now I'm just continuing to blend that makeup in, guys. Just blend it in. You know, a LED light, a ring light will really help you to see how your foundation really looks on your skin, guys. I had me a ring light on top of my mirror, guys, and I used it to see how my makeup was blending into my skin. Well, on top of that primer. So I'm still just blending it in with my forehead. You want to make sure, you know, it's just one solid looking color up there. Checking them out, guys. This is the end of this video, guys. These are my edits where I messed up. I love you guys. Thanks for watching.